हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम। आज हम यहाँ पे आरआरबी एएलपी के जो जीके एंड जीएस के मॉक पेपर है वो सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। वैसे ही अपन जनरल मतलब क्यूटी के प्लस रीजनिंग के पेपर भी सॉल्व करेंगे। और कंटिन्यू यहाँ पे 5 मॉक पेपर मैं यहाँ पे पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ। 5 जनरल अवेयरनेस प्लस जनरल साइंस के, उसके बाद 5 क्यूटी के प्लस 5 रीजनिंग, उसके बाद इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन प्लस एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन। और सेम डेट पे जैसी जो पेपर डेट है, जैसे 24 टू 29 जो पेपर की डेट अभी तक रिलीज हुई है, तो वो सेम डे के जो पेपर्स है वो भी मैं यहाँ पे पोस्ट करने वाला हूँ। ओके, क्योंकि मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट, कुछ फ्रेंड्स जो है वो ये एग्जाम दे रहे थे, उनकी तरफ से मैं डेटा कलेक्ट करके ये पेपर्स मैं आपके लिए पोस्ट करूंगा। ओके, तो जिन्होंने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और वीडियो को लाइक कर दो, ताकि मुझे मोटिवेशन मिल जाए कि मैं आपके लिए वो वीडियो बना सकूं। चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है यहाँ पे, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी रोल ऑफ रिप्सम इन द सेल? तो आंसर है प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस। ठीक है, तो देखो यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन भी मैंने दिया है कि रिप्सम सेल आर मॉलिक्यूलर मशीन्स फाउंड विद द ऑल लिविंग सेल्स that perform the critical function of protein synthesis, translating messenger RNA into the polypeptide chains which fold into the functional protein. Okay, next, second, which of the following process directly generate ATP in cellular respiration? तो आंसर है substrate level of phosphorylation and oxidate level of phosphorylation. ओके, तो आंसर है बोथ ए एंड बी। देखो, ATP is a generated during the cellular respiration through the substrate level of phosphorylation and direct transfer to the phosphate group, and oxidative phosphorylation indicate level through the electron transport chain and chemosis. Okay, next, third, what term describe the loss of species from an ecosystem? तो आंसर है extinction. Okay, तो extinction जो है, extinction refers to the complete disappearance of species from earth, resulting in the permanent loss of biodiversity and ecosystem stability. Okay, next, fourth, which of the following law state that the total energy of an isolated system remain constant? तो आंसर है लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी। ठीक है, देखिए, द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी asserts that with an isolated system energy cannot be created or destroyed but can only change form. Okay, next, fifth, what is the term for the maximum displacement of points on a wave from its rest position? तो आंसर इज एम्पलीट्यूड। ठीक है, देखो, एम्पलीट्यूड मेजर द हाइट ऑफ वेव फ्रॉम इट्स इक्विलिब्रियम position to its peak, indicating the energy carried by the wave. Okay, next, six, in quantum mechanics, which principles state that certain pair of physical properties cannot be simultaneously known as a arbitrary precision? आंसर है हेजिनबर्ग अनसर्टेनिटी प्रिंसिपल। तो देखो, the Heisenberg uncertainty principle state that it is impossible to precisely measure both the position and momentum of particular at the same time, highlighting a fundamental limit in the quantum mechanics. Okay, next, seventh, which type of reaction involve the breaking and forming of covalent bond to create a new compound? तो आंसर है redox reaction। देखो, redox reaction involve the transfer of electron between the species, resulting in the breaking and formation of covalent bond and change in the oxidation state. Okay, next, 8, which of the following represent pH of neutral solution at 25 degree? तो आंसर इज 7। ओके, तो देखो, pH 7 is considered natural, indicating equal concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions in water at 25 degree Celsius. Okay, next, ninth, what is the primary function of catalyst in chemical reaction? आंसर है to increase reaction rate. Okay, to increase reaction rate by lowering the activation energy. तो देखो, explanation दिया है, the catalyst accelerate chemical reaction by lowering the activation energy barrier without being consumed in the process, allowing for the faster reaction rate. Okay, next, 10th, What is the primary source of nitrogen oxide in the atmosphere? The answer is vehicle emission. Okay, तो देखो, the combustion of fossil fuel in vehicle is a significant source of nitrogen oxide which contribute to air pollution and respiratory issues. Okay, next, 11th, which ecosystem is characterized by the high rainfall and biodiversity and is a typical found near equator? The answer is rainforest. ठीक है, the tropical rainforests are characterized by the high biodiversity and consistently high rainfall, making them some of the most diverse ecosystem on the earth. Okay, next, 12th, what is the main purpose of Convention of Biological Diversity? Answer is to promote sustainable use of ecosystem. Okay, देखो, the CBT aim to conserve biodiversity, ensure sustainable use of its component, and promote fair sharing of benefit arising from the genetic resource. Next, 13. Which nation won the 2024 Nobel Peace Prize for its effort in climate change mitigation? The answer is Japan. Okay, देखो, Japan, the Nobel Prize is awarded to individual or nation making significant contribution to peace and climate effort. Okay, next, 14. Which organization recently launched an initiative to tackle plastic pollution globally? The answer is United Nations. देखो, UN frequently launch initiative to combat global challenge including environmental issue like plastic pollution, aiming to unite countries in addressing this crisis. Okay, next, 15. Which country successfully landed the first rover on the Mars in 2024? The answer is China. The China made significant advancement in space exploration, including Mars mission. Okay. Next, 16. What technology is used to create a digital representation of physical object through the process of scanning? The answer is 3D scanning. Okay. 3D scanning technology capture the physical characteristics of an object to create digital 3D model which can be used for design, analysis and reproduction. Okay. 19. Which of the following is a feature of the blockchain technology? The answer is immutability of records. देखो, blockchain is characterized by immutable ledgers, meaning once data is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted, enhancing security and transparency. Next, 18. What is the primary goal of Human Genome Project? The answer is to identify and map all genes in the human genome. Okay, देखो, the Human Genome Project aims to sequence to the entire human genome, providing crucial insight for genetics, medicines, and biology. Next, 19. Which fundamental right in the Indian Institute guarantee the right to the equity? The answer is Article 14. Okay, Article 14 of Indian Constitution ensure equality before the law and prohibit discrimination, forming a cornerstone of the fundamental right guaranteed to the citizen. Next, 20. Which documents serve as a supreme law of the land in India? The answer is Constitution. The Constitution of India is a supreme legal document providing a framework for governance, right and duties of citizen and the state. Next, 21. Which body is responsible for the conduct of elections in India? The answer is the Election Commission. Okay? The Election Commission of India is an autonomous constitutional authority responsible for administrating election process in India at both national and state level. Okay? Next, 22. What term is used to describe a sustained increase in general price level of goods and service? The answer is inflation. Okay, देखो, inflation refers to the rate at which general price level of price for goods and service price. Okay, देखो, inflation refers to the rate at which general price level for the good and service rises, leading to decrease in purchasing power. Okay, next, 23. Which economic indicator is used to measure the overall economic activity of a country? The answer is ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट, जिसको अपन जीडीपी बोलते हैं। ओके, तो ग्रॉस डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्ट measure the total value of all goods and service produced within the country over a specific time period, serving as a key indicator of economic performance. Okay, next 24. What is the primary purpose of international monetary fund? The answer is to stabilize international exchange rate. Okay, the IMF aim to promote international monetary cooperation and exchange rate stability, facilitating balanced growth of international trade. Okay, next 25. What is the derivative of function f of x equals to x square at the point x equals to 3? तो आंसर इज 6। देखो यहाँ पे मैंने इसको सॉल्व करके दिया है। ओके, उसको आप देख लीजिए। नेक्स्ट 26। व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रल ऑफ फंक्शन एफ एक्स ऑफ 3x स्क्वायर? तो आंसर इज एक्स क्यूब प्लस 3। ओके, क्योंकि कांस्टेंट इंटीग्रेशन है वो। नेक्स्ट 27. What is the probability of rolling sum of 7 with the two sided die? तो आंसर इज 5/36। अगर देखा जाए तो 7 सम लगाने के लिए देखो कितने बनते हैं, 1 3 2 5 3 4 4 3 5 2 एंड 6 1। तो ऐसे टोटल कितने ग्रुप बने हैं, 6 ग्रुप बने हैं। ओके, 6 ग्रुप अगर बनते हैं तो इनडायरेक्टली कितना है, 6/36, क्योंकि टू साइडेड डाई है मतलब 36, तो 1/6। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर कितना है, 1/6। नेक्स्ट 28. Which of the following logical operator represent A and B in the Boolean algebra? तो आंसर इज एंड। ओके, एंड जो है वो रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि इफ बोथ कंडीशंस आर ट्रू देन स्टेटमेंट विल बी ट्रू। इसके लिए अपन यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं, सिंपली एंड मतलब लॉजिकल का यूज करते हैं, जो हमें ट्रू एंड फॉल्स पे आंसर शो करता है। नेक्स्ट 29. If statement is true and the negation of the statement is false, what is the truth value of the original statement? तो आंसर इज ट्रू। इनडायरेक्टली यहाँ पे क्या है, द नेगेशन इज द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स, ओरिजिनली स्टेटमेंट द स्टेटमेंट इज फॉल्स, द ओरिजिनली स्टेटमेंट मस्ट बी ट्रू एज द नेगेशन रिवर्स द ट्रूथ वैल्यू। ओके, नेक्स्ट 30. इन सिलोजिज्म, इफ ऑल ह्यूमंस आर मोर्टल and scoret in is a human, what can be concluded? The scoret is a mortal. देखो, conclusion of the following logical premises: since all humans are mortal and scarets is human, it can conclude scorets is a mortal. नेक्स्ट जो रहेगा वो इंपॉर्टेंट मॉक 2 रहेगा जीके एंड जीएस का। ऐसे अपन 5 लेवल के क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, प्लस क्यूटी के भी एंड रीजनिंग के। जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है वो सब्सक्राइब कर लो और वीडियो को लाइक कर दो। थैंक यू।